So Alex, what are you doing? Well, I'm going to leave my very expensive camera in the middle of nowhere so I can film myself driving up this road. Hardest nor safest thing to do, but if you want the shot, it's what you got to do.
Hey everyone, my name's Alex. I'm an ex-medical student who sold all his belongings in 2012 to travel around the world. 50 countries, and the adventure continues.
My gosh, this is supposed to be like a highway. It's supposed to be like a main road. And look what we're coming in through. It's crazy. So Alex, what are you doing? Well, I'm going to leave my very expensive camera in the middle of nowhere so I can film myself driving up this road. And that's the fun stuff you got to do when you're by yourself. So a little trick for you is when you're on very soft sand, just get yourself a rock, put it underneath the kickstand. Otherwise that thing's going to basically divot in, all these going to fall over, and boom! There goes your bike. Every time I pull out the drone, it takes about an hour. So today I'm going to try to make that 20 minutes, 25 minutes. I got to try a few different things. So I'll let you enjoy the view while I go to the bathroom. Happy to report that drone operation went fantastic, all in 30 minutes. That is a lot better than the hour it usually takes me to bust out the Phantom. Alright, Mavic it is from now on. On we go after I get my cell phone out of my pocket. Alright, off we go. Look at this gorgeous road. Now, driving this myself, stopping where I want to stop, droning where I want to drone. Man, that's definitely the reason why you want to take a motorcycle. It's just the freedom. I only rely on myself. I have time to think. It's been a long time since I've just been able to be me. A core fundamental of who I am. 6 years ago, I went off on a trip around the world. 500 days, Alaska to Argentina, and back, round trip. And that changed me forever. It developed me, the person who I am. And I couldn't ask for a more incredible experience. So I'm making an incredible amount of effort this time to really video, to really share on Instagram, because I want people to experience this, something that most people will never ever get a chance to do. So I'm sharing on social media and making videos just for you guys, because I want you guys to experience this. This is awesome. And if I can give you a small feeling of jumping on the back of the motorcycle with me and being with me on this journey, that's my goal. Wow, look at this rock. That's cool. The reason I'm up here is because I want to get a little drive-by shot. What a pain in the butt it is, huh, to film this adventure. You gotta stop, put the camera, drive across it one way, drive across it the other way, back and pick it up. It ain't easy. Alright, this guy is stuck and trying to get out. Very slippery here. I love this road. It gets in my eyes way too fast, Alex. Whoa! So check it out, that's why I love the motorcycle. You can just park anywhere you want, just stop and enjoy the view. So I'm currently 13,000 feet above sea level. Yeah, I can feel it. I hiked up here a little bit so I can get the view. And man, I'm huffing and puffing. Amazing though, just this drive has just been spectacular. I mean, this is why I do what I do. I mean, the views, having an adventure, like this is what it's all about. Those people were like, what are you doing up there? How's this for an amazing place to brush your teeth, huh? Hello, random people on the road. I would usually be freaked out about that weather over there, but the good news is I'm actually headed that way. So yeah, I got a little lucky today. Some weird looking cactus, look at that. Alright, this looks like my first river crossing of the trip. Not river, but it's my first water crossing. It's not exactly, it looks like a river. Alright, water crossing, here we go. Whoa, pretty deep. You know what? Who needs a motorcycle wash when you can just drive through a stream? looking good. It's looking good. Yes, it's asphalt. Hello, asphalt. I missed you all day today. All right, we're back on the main road, which means I'll be to the location in 23 minutes. Yeah, how exciting. That was a really beautiful road though, slow going. All right, it's now raining on the way to the city, and I have a sneaking suspicion it's a type of rain that's gonna last all night again. To make a long story short, it started raining like crazy. This whole entire city of Tupiza is flooded. I found a hotel, and I'm about to drive into it to actually park, which is great. All right, found a hotel room, gonna dry everything out, and thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow. I popped my hip. Oh my gosh, that felt weird. Whew. Felt like a hernia. Gosh, that was rough. Oh man, I gotta stretch more.